Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change your age on Roblox. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Make sure to log into your account. Go to the More tab at the bottom. Scroll down, search for the Settings option and tap on it. In Settings, tap on the Account Info option located on the top. In your account info, you will see the birthday section. There is a Verify My Age button and tap on it. You have to verify using a two-step verification method. Enter the code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Then, tap on the Verify button. Tap on the Verify My Age button again. You can verify your identity using the given options. Also, scan a QR code with the camera app to begin. After the method, your age will be verified. Go back to the More tab and select the Help and Safety button. Select the Help option and you will be directed to the Help Center. You can get help from the team about the problems. Search for the Change Age and scroll down. At the end, tap on the Need More Help option. A form will appear on the screen and enter your contact information. In the Issue Detail section, select the device in which the problem occurs. Tap on Type of Help category and select Age-Based Settings from the pop-up list. Select the Change Child Age option to change your age. After that, submit the form. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.